Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
So friends, before understanding a derivation for relative lowering of before understanding what is elevation boiling point, we should know the graphical representation of the elevation boiling point so that we could understand very deeply that how the boiling point of a solution changes from its solvent. So let us see further how can we elaborate or how can we go deeply to understand what is elevation in boiling point. So as present on the screen, there is a graph which relates the vapor pressure and temperature for the solvent and solution. So let us discuss about solvent only initially. At a fixed temperature, as you know, vapor pressure of solvent will be higher than the solution, and now since we are talking only about the solvent only, so as the temperature rises or as the temperature increases, the vapor pressure of the solvent will go also increasing, and that's true. It will reach a point of P naught, and this P naught is nothing but the pressure of 1 atmosphere, which means that you are converting a liquid solution by giving the vapor pressure such that it turns its vapor pressure to 1 atmosphere. So when the vapor pressure is less than 1 atmosphere, it is in liquid state. So to make it 1 atmosphere, we have to take the help of temperature, and hence we are increasing the temperature so as to make the vapor pressure of a particular solvent to P naught, the vapor pressure of pure solvent, till 1 atmosphere. So this curve, that is point A and B, relates that how the vapor pressure of a liquid changes when the temperature is increased, and at point B the vapor pressure of the liquid is very much high, which means the liquid has been converted into gas. Now let us talk about solution. As we know, according to Raoult's law also, and according to the previous lectures based on relative lowering of vapor pressure, that the solution has lesser vapor pressure than the pure solvent. So at the same temperature itself, the vapor pressure of solution is lower than that of the pure solvent. And what will happen now if we increase the temperature? It will go as same as solvent, but it will be, the curve will lie lower than the pure solvent. And this is why, let us discuss further also, but let me elaborate that as the temperature increases, the vapor pressure of the solution also increases till point D. So before point D, that means I am talking about the curve C and D. In this case, the C is still liquid, or the C has still not attained a vapor pressure of 1 atmosphere, means it has not been converted into gas. But as soon as it reaches the point D, it will convert into gas, and the vapor pressure of that liquid will be the maximum in that point. So now it is very essential for us to understand that the vapor pressure of the solution is less than the solvent. So as we have to make it till 1 atmosphere, we have to provide more energy. More energy in the sense we have to provide more temperature, so as the vapor pressure of the solution will now be 1 atmosphere. So this extra temperature that we give to the solution is nothing but elevation in boiling point. Let us discuss once again. The temperature which is corresponding to the point B is now the boiling point for pure solvent, which is denoted by T naught. While the temperature which is corresponding to point D is nothing but T, which means the boiling point of the solution. So there is a difference, as you can see, and this difference is nothing but delta TB. So this kind of extra temperature that we are providing, so as the solution should turn into a gas, or the solution's vapor pressure should be maximum, this temperature is known as elevation in boiling point. So the more the solute present in the solvent, the more energy or the more temperature we have to provide, so as that will be converted into gaseous state, or that could reach the vapor pressure of 1 atmosphere to attain a boiling point. And hence elevation in boiling point is related to the number of moles of solute or the number of particles of solute, and hence elevation boiling point is a colligative property. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video, and please don't forget to share with your friends and do subscribe ekeeda.com. Thank you so much.